Hello people, it's Azan here. Welcome back to Decremist, a place where we will show you some hidden gems in the crypto world. So following this idea, I have brought you a new ICO project named as Vifinity. So let's get started. So let me tell you what Vifinity is all about, and they have mentioned here each of their team members have been a part of passionate crypto communities that have been sabotaged by malicious developer and deceitful team leaders. Vifinity is designed to reward its holder in inhibitive manipulative trading through top-notch tokenomics and opportunities for holders of all sizes to win an array of prizes. Their protocol incorporates static rewards, also known as reflection, with static distribution to marketing wallet. Upon every transaction, each holder is rewarded Vifinity tokens, and the marketing wallet is replenished for random airdrops and attractive weekly prizes. Vifinity is developed and led by a DeFi queen who is dedicated to community safe and success. So let me give you information about the tokenomics session of Vifinity. Its ticker is WNF. Gas fees can be high and discourage buyers from purchasing tokens. Their team has decided to launch Vifinity on Binance Smart Chain and lock liquidity on PancakeSwap to help avoid nasty gas fees on the Ethereum network. Vifinity can be purchased with Binance Coin, the native token of BSC. Lower fees and liquidity locked in a trusted exchange will lower the barrier for entry and assure that developers are revoking permissions to the initial fund that are raised by project. Liquidity fund will be raised with a pre-sale in which buyers are allowed to purchase a maximum of 1 BNB worth of WFN tokens. The sale will end on 30 BNB worth of WFN. This ensures the broadly distributed base of holders and liquidity locked upon launch. 1 quadrillion token is initial supply, 30% of which would be initially burned, 15% would be initially allocated to the marketing wallet. The Vifinity protocol incentivizes holding by offering static rewards and allocating funds to the marketing wallet used for airdrops and weekly giveaways. Each transaction incurs at 10% fees, which is distributed in 3 ways. 3% of fees will be distributed to holders, 3% will be locked into liquidity, which help rise the price floor, 4% goes to the price fund. The bigger the transaction, the bigger the reward for reward distribution. So their website is like this. They have mentioned some frequently asked questions here. There is some history of it, like Vifinity was founded in 2021 after a group individual day traders that were tired of rock pulls decided to turn their interest into their dream to run a cryptocurrency. Since then, they've grown as a community and have expanded what they offer to their members. When you decide to join them, you too will gain access to various events and most importantly to a group of like-minded individuals who are just passionate as you are. Here is some merchandise and an auction going on with a price labeled here. So let's have a look at their roadmap, as roadmap shows that what this project have done and what is it going to do next. X for Q1 2021, the white paper, branding, website launch, social media strategy. They did that in Q2 2021, which they would do the CMC, CoinGecko and CoinHunt listing. They are listed on CoinHunt, by the way. Tech rate, audit, exchange, WinFT, market, PancakeSwap, DXL. Okay, so they did most of it. Q3 2021, real estate in Decentraland and Sandbox. WinFT market open to private sellers. Okay, in Q4 2021, they would do the Vifinity wallet. In which they will introduce their own wallet and do a live WinFT auctions, collaboration and WinFT swap. Okay, so there are the contact addresses of their team. NFT market. Upon the launch of the Vifinity website, they will be launching their WinFT marketplace. Initially, their beta version will be launched on only in-house created NFTs will be for sale. In phase 2, artists will be able to list and sell their NFTs through Vifinity, and X% of each sale will be allocated to the marketing wallet. Okay, so here is the prices. They say that their tokenomics are set up to distribute the highest percentage of transaction fees to highest tiers of the coin holders. Each of these tiers, like millionaires, MWFN, billionaires, BWFN, and trillionaires, TWFN, is also eligible for the higher airdrop rewards. Holder will be chosen at the random on a weekly basis. Millionaire holders who have 100,000 WFN could get the reward of Xbox or PS5. As for billionaire holder who have 1 million WFN tokens, they can have the in week 2 they would have $1,000 or in $2,500 or $5,000 rewards. As for trillionaire, the one who have 1 billion coins can have all of these rewards in week 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so that was up for the tokenomics and rewards. So let's have a look at their social media. As social media shows that how transparent this project is and what is it going to do next, or what events or AMS are they organizing in future. So starting with their Twitter is named as Winfinity. More than 1800 followers, 90 tweets. The last tweet was nightly Dogecoin 9 hours ago. And before that 11 August where they say that we are listed on CoinHunt. So they are very active on their Twitter. If you want to follow them there, you can, because you would stay updated with their with this project and know more about them. As for their Instagram, they have 164 followers, only one post in which they are talking about giveaways, etc. You can follow them there too if you want find it pleasing. Okay, so I can't see any Telegram group here. They should have a Telegram because people want fast access to your admins and etc. So the price of Infinity is 0.0000000126827, like this, and the market cap is 7 million. It was launched on May 15th. So if you are interested in Winfinity, I will leave the website link of Winfinity in the description box, where you can do some research. If you want to invest in it, you can. If you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Decrymis, where we would bring you more hidden projects from the crypto arena. If you want to support us, I will leave the Binance Smart Chain wallet link in the description box, where you can send us your token or BUSD to support us. Thank you.